Galit na galit ang ilang residente ng Surigao City sa mabagal daw na pamamahagi ng ayuda ng lokal na pamahalaan doon.
Problema rin ng kuryente na aabutin pa raw ng 3 buwan bago maibalik. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan si Jem Avancenia.
Pila-pila na ang mga residente sa covered court na ito sa Barangay San Juan, Surigao City. Lahat sila naghihintay maambunan ng ayuda. 5 araw kasi matapos ang pananalasa ng bagyong Odette, wala pa rin silang natatanggap na tulong. Kaya naman marami sa mga binagyo, aburido na.
Kahit malang sana yung mga canned goods, kahit mga dilat na dilata lang yan, laking tulong na rin po yan sana kung meron. Pantay-pantay ang pagbigay, di issue kay may pera ka, mayaman ka o ano. Wala yan, lahat tayo, dinaanan tayo ng bagyo eh.
Kaya ma'am, hingan-hingani ko ma'am, basta sakali makakuha kong bugas.
I would like to thank you, Mr. President, and your team for helping us. Less than 72 hours, we are all here. May ilaw na along the highway and may power na. Ang daming tulong. Thank you very much, Mr. President.
When I received your note, I told him, huwag ka nang sumama muna sa Masbate, doon ka sa Cebu because it's a different kind of response that is required.
On that note, On that note, Mr. President, thank you so much for responding that evening of the earthquake, and to all the national agencies for being here right away and helping us with the rescue operations. To all the donors and the volunteers, thank you ever so much, Mr. President, and everyone from the bottom of our heart, from the provincial